Now that my soul has left my body, now that my soul is going free, I left all suffering behind me. Don't feel no pain and I don't bleed. I was stuck in a winter storm where I could barely walk or breathe. I was surrounded by the warmth, they all were howling, haunting me. I was all covered by the snow, so cold and grabbed me in all my fear. My eyes were dry of pain, crying, and I gave up, fell on my knees, and I allowed my body fell in the cold ice in front of me, 'cause nobody came looking for me to save me from my suffering. My heart stopped beating and I died, or that was what I believed. I didn't know what happened then, but now I'm free. I don't remember a friend's hand holding me back from the abyss. I can't say someone came to rescue me. I'm not sure if the world beside me or the cold took possession of me. After the winter storm, I didn't know what happened with me. I left all what was holding me behind, and I am free. There is not more sadness, not more pain. There is no more wound, and I don't bleed. By now, the only I can say is that I'm free.